Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant phase 5 exercise 1 from our package. So this is question number 9. Okay, let's look at the question first. Question is find the value of x such that the points are collinear. Okay. So this again is an important property or application of determinant. Initial question we saw that a determinant can help us find the area of a triangle. So the same, actually the fundamentals are the same. If suppose the 3 points were to form a triangle, then the area of that given triangle would be some quantity. But if they're collinear, the area will be 0. So we are starting from there only. So the area formed by the 3 points must be equal to 0. So since the area has half and mod, and it is going to be 0, then this will not matter. So the determinant property is that you write the vertices like how you write in the area thing. 0, 1, 3, the x coordinate, y coordinate 2, x and 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is going to be the determinant value by using the uh, vertices, x and y vertices. And if the points are collinear, then the determinant value will be equal to 0. After that, we can just expand. So -2 because I am expanding from the first row. So 1 minus 2 and then plus 1, 1 minus 3x. If this is going to be 0, minus 4. So 4 plus 1, 5 minus 3x is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to 5 by. So that's fine. The only thing that you have to understand that the determinant and the application of determinant, the points we can show to be collinear quite easy, just find the value of the determinant. Okay. Thank you.